Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to this channel. Today we have the Walmart beauty box for spring. So if you would like to see what I got in mine, then just keep on watching. So if you did not know, Walmart has a beauty box. Well, they actually have several boxes. You can choose which kind of box that you like, and it is $5 every quarter. So you get a spring, a summer, a fall, and a winter. And I chose the beauty box, and actually for $5 it's actually worth it, what all you get, and you get to try new things. Come on up and see what's in it. This is what it looks like. Okay, this says Beauty for All Walmart beauty box. So in here is just a little pamphlet, and there could be some of these things in your box. So I'm going to open it up. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay. I see some nice things. This is the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. This is in the color, or in the style, mild. We believe that good thoughts attract good things, and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. We know we can't control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction. And most of the times we find that a shower or a bath lead us to the solution. We work to inspire and get inspired, delivering daily concepts and everyday products that enhance the human experience. We are here to change the world, or your world, one shower at a time. So this is a exfoliating shower scrubber, and let me see if there is a price. See a price. So I would say this cost around $8, $5 to $8. Just looking at it and knowing Walmart's prices, I would say it's around that price range. So I'm excited to try that. The next thing I see is the Sunken Signature Foaming Facial Cleanser, paraben free. Purify, cleanse, and lightly hydrate the skin with chamomile, aloe vera, green tea, and witch hazel. And I will probably give this to my daughter because she uses things that are all natural, and she's trying to declutter her house with things that are not. So I will more than likely give this to my daughter or my granddaughter. So the next thing is the Chapstick Total Hydration 3-in-1 Lip Care. Advanced 3-in-1 formula. Moisturizes, renews, and transforms. Cocoa Hydration 3-in-1 Total Hydration. So it is a chapstick in a lipstick tube. That is nice to see. Chapstick used to come in the plastic roll-ups, and this does smell a little bit like coconut, so that will be nice to have. Then the next thing is the new Impress Press-On Manicure Nails. Oh, those look so pretty. Yeah, I like those a lot, but you know who will probably get them? Abigail. But I'll try to keep them if I can. The next thing is a Liquid Hydration Multiplier. Cellular Transport Technology. Non-GMO electrolyte drink mix. Golden cranberry. I'm going to give this to Brian. This is $8.98 full size. Get hydrated faster for more efficiency than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte power drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. And let's see if I can find that. The chapstick was $3.94 for full size, and the nails were $6.97 for 30 nails. Let's see how many's in here. 30 nails. So that's good. The next thing in here is Not Your Mother's Smooth Moves shampoo and conditioner, and I will use these. And Not Your Mother's Smooth Move Anti-Frizz shampoo and conditioner is $7.74 for a 9-ounce bottle. So I can't wait to try that. And the next thing in here is the CoverGirl Clean Skincare Weightless Water Cream 72 Hydration. 72 hours of hydration. The CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream Face Moisturizer. $14.98 for 2 fluid ounces. Oil-free and formulated for all skin types in weightless, breathable face moisturizer and prime in one, is supercharged with electrolytes, rich true clean cactus water, and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture for 72 hours. That sounds pretty nice. So guys, that is all that I got in my beauty box. Let me know what you thought about everything that I got in here. I love getting this $5 box every quarter because I was introduced to the Kitsch hair scrunchies, and they are the only thing that will hold my thin hair up and in place, even though I cut the back of my hair right now, but I can still wear them. But I love those. There is several things that I have bought from finding it through this box, and it's just nice to be able to try some things that I have never heard of or gift them, which I have gifted several to my daughter or my granddaughter, and they've loved them. So if you want to pick up your own Walmart beauty box, I will leave the link down below where you can start getting your own Walmart beauty box, or whichever box you choose to get, and see if you like it as much as I do. $20 a year, and this box is well over $5. So I really like getting it, and I can't wait to try that exfoliator in the shower. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.